Good morning and welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Perez on Tuesday, 16th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Adit Markets. We're going to look at Eurodollar now, and we've had a breakout on Eurodollar, pretty much confounding everything. It's incredible. The theory being that dollar should be strengthening against the euro, certainly, but it isn't. The euro is strengthening against the dollar, and it's now broken out above the key reaction high, 1233. And that pretty much opens up this pre-Brexit high, 1432 again. And there's not a great deal of resistance you can really talk about between there. That we are now at sort of a 6-7 week high on the euro, and the technicals are increasingly positive, aren't they? Look at that. You've got the downtrend that broke. Used the support of the downtrend on the RSI, also around 50, and you're now pushing above 60. So that is suggesting that it's increasingly strong momentum. Stochastics accelerating higher. MACD lines also pushing higher. This is a really strong move from the euro. Now, this is going against, as I said, everything that I'd been expecting. I thought ultimately any rallies would be sold into on the euro. Isn't seemingly the case at the moment. I think what you've got to do is you've got to go with the run higher, and it could well go towards that pre-Brexit high. Technically speaking, on a medium-term basis, you'd still say that this old uptrend is a basis of resistance. That old uptrend comes in around sort of 1350 area, and you could sort of point towards this all the way back to sort of last year, really, where that uptrend was then broken. It started to become the basis of resistance, but the market still went higher. But it would still suggest that you're in a long-term, I think still in a long-term range play. I'm still of the expectation that ultimately the dollar will start to strengthen again, and you could start to see, I mean, the run higher that we've seen on the euro has come on the back of weak US data. So when you start to see strong US data, you'll start to see this chart flowing back lower again. But for now, certainly the outlook is positive for the euro, and breaking out, that's a positive. So you need to now hold on to the break. This is the run we've had today, because the dollar has come under quite significant selling pressure today. Across the majors, and certainly on the euro, which is 80 ticks higher on the day. Really gone, actually, as the European session has taken hold, really accelerated higher. Can it now hold on to this breakout above 1233 is the first question. Can it close above that level? If yes, it can. If it can close above that level, then it will continue to look strong, because you've got all this US data this afternoon. You've got inflation, you've got housing starts and building permits, you've got industrial production. These are all data points that could well sort of see the dollar turn. And if inflation actually expected to marginally drop on the headline on the US, so will that be the case? If inflation comes in ahead of expectations, maybe we'll start to see a turnaround of that euro strength, and the pair to start to fall again. It is stretched near term, you'd argue, but it certainly looks to be a strong breakout. But it needs to close above that 1233 level. And to be honest, there's sort of a basis of support you'd sort of point to from 12 figure up towards 1233. So 30 ticks worth of strong support now, near term this is. And it'll be very interesting to see if that can continue. But to continue through the data. So if it can survive that data and then close above that level, I think we are going to be going higher in due course. But very interesting moving into this US data this afternoon. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later, I think.